Hello to all grade 11 students. This time, our lesson is all about evaluating functions. Sa lesson na ito ay sasagutan natin ang 15-item multiple choice questions. Pagkatapos ay magkakaroon tayo ng rationale or makatwirang paliwanag or solution kung paano or kung bakit naging ganon ang ating sagot. Sa parang ito ay matututunan na ninyo kung paano mag-evaluate ng functions. But before that, let's have this definition. Evaluating function, it is to replace or to substitute its variable with a given number or expression. So, it's the process of determining the value of the function at the number assigned to a given variable. We have learned that in algebraic expression, letters can stand for numbers. And to find the value of the expression, there are two things that you have to do. The first thing is replace each letter in the expression with the assigned value. Then, perform the operations in the expression using the correct order of operations. Maliban dito, ay gusto ko ding ibahagi sa inyo ang mga sumusunod na paraan at mga termino na dapat ninyong tandaan upang makatulong sa pag-evaluate ng functions. First is, use FOIL method when multiplying binomials. Then, combine like terms. Then, x squared means multiplying by itself. And then, we can't have negative answers in the square root. And if the denominator is 0, the answer will be undefined. Okay, sa ating denominator, ito ay ang ating x values and also our independent variables. Numerator, ito ang ating mga y values at ito ang ating dependent variables. So, yung mga ito ay matututunan natin at mas lalo nating maintindihan sa mga sumusunod na examples. Let's have number 1 question. Which of the following is a polynomial function? Letter A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for that is letter A. So, bakit? Tingnan natin ang ating rationale. So, by definition, remember that polynomial is a monomial or a combination of sums and or differences of monomials. Ang polynomial ay pwede nating i-classify dun sa maximum number of exponent niya at sa number of terms ng isang polynomial. Unahin muna natin kung paano mag-classify ng polynomials. Okay, dito sa number, meron tayong 0, 1, 2, 3, and then n. Ang 0 or any number na walang kasamang variable, ang tawag sa kanya ay constant dahil ang exponent ng variable na yon ay 0. So, dito tayo sa degree or exponents. Kaya si 0 ay constant. Kapag ang polynomial ay may 1 degree, ang tawag sa kanya ay linear. Kapag may 2 degrees, quadratic. 3 degrees, cubic. Kapag lumampas na sa 4, ang tawag sa kanya ay nth degree. Kaya tatawagin natin siyang 4th degree polynomial or 5th degree polynomial. Okay? Dito sa terms naman, so, kapag meron tayong isang terms, ang tawag sa kanya ay monomial. Kapag meron tayong 2 terms, binomial. Kapag merong 3 terms, trinomial. At kapag 4 and above, tawag sa kanya ay polynomial. Or yung mga polynomial na mayroong 4 or more terms, tinatawag natin siyang polynomial in general form. Next, so ito ang mga examples natin. Meron tayong polynomial na 7x plus 4, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1, 4x cubed, 9 to the 4th, 11 plus 11x, and then 5. So, yung una, meron tayong isang degree. Yung 7x niya, meron 1 degree yan. Tapos, plus 4 na constant. So, ang tawag sa kanya ay linear. At meron siyang dalawang terms. Bakit? Yung first term natin is 7x. Yung second term is 4. At siya ay tinatawag din na binomial. Next, meron tayong 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Meron siyang 2 degree. Or 3x squared. Tingnan lang natin yung first term at makikita natin yung degree. At kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay quadratic. Meron siyang number of terms na 3 kasi ang first term niya ay 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay trinomial. Dito naman, nakita na agad natin na meron siyang 3 degree. Okay, kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay cubic. Pero isa lang yung term niya, kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay monomial. And dito naman, nakita natin yung first term natin ay may 4 degree. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay 4 degree. Meron siyang 2 terms. First term natin is 9 to the 4th and then second term is 11x. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay binomial. Ito ay 0. Wala siyang kasamang variable. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya ay constant. Pero meron siyang isang term. Tawag sa kanya ay monomial. Okay? Kaya kung babalikan natin yung ating sagot kanina na letter A, f of x equals 2x squared minus 10x plus 7. This is a quadratic equation. Proceed na tayo sa number 2. Give the value of the function c of x equals 5x cubed minus 18 at c of 3. So, evaluate lang natin si 3 sa lahat ng x's na makikita natin sa equation na c of x equals 5x cubed minus 18. So, is it letter A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for this is 117. Bakit? Substitute natin ngayon si 3 kay x. Kaya magiging 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Copy lang yung 5 and negative 18. So, 5 times 27 is 135 minus 18 is 117. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 117. Number 3. Find the function value given h of x equals 17 plus 8x of x that is equal to 4d. Is it letter A, B, C, or D? Sagot natin ay letter C, 17 plus 32D. Ito ang ating solution. Ang value ni x ay 4D. Kaya sa equation na 17 plus 8x, palit natin si 4D kay x. Okay? So, 17 plus 8 times 4D. 17, copy lang natin. 8 times 4D is 32D. Kaya ang tamang sagot natin ay 17 plus 32D. Number 4. Evaluate the function k of x equals 5 to the x if ang value ng x natin ay 2 over 3. Letter A. Is it letter B, C, or D? The correct answer for that is letter D, cube root of 25. Bakit? Okay, ang value ng x natin ay 2 over 3. So, papalit natin si 2 over 3 kay x. K of x equals 5 to the x. Kaya magiging 5 to the 2 over 3 power. Using this, a to the m over n equals n root of a to the m. We're going to transform the expression like cube root of 5 squared. Kaya, squared natin si 5, kaya magiging 25. Kaya ang sagot natin ay cube root of 25. Number 5. Which of the following shows a logarithmic function? Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for this is letter B. Simply because it expressed in logarithmic form. Okay. Meron siyang log. Sa lahat, meron siyang log. Number 6. Evaluate h of x equals 5x squared minus 8x plus 12 given x that is equal to 5. Is it 22, 145, 97, or negative 3? The correct answer for this is 97. Why? Because if we're going to replace 5 sa lahat ng x's ng equation, h of x equals 5x squared minus 8x plus 12, magiging 5 times 5 is 25, and then negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. Copy lang natin si 12. And then simplify natin. 5 times 25 is 125. Then copy natin is negative 40 and 12. And then simplify. 125 minus 40 equals plus 12 is equal to 97. Number 7. What kind of function is being illustrated by f of x? Hindi ko muna babasahin kasi malalaman nyo ang sagot. Okay, plus 5. Letter A, rational function, constant function, greatest integer function, or absolute value function. The correct answer for this is letter D, absolute value function. Tingnan natin ang ating solution. Okay, because nakikita natin tong absolute value bars. Kaya siya ay absolute value function. Tama ba? O absolute value function. F of x equals absolute of 2x cubed minus 3x plus 5. Okay? Then number 8, evaluate the function f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 given the value of x that is equal to 2x plus 5. Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for this is 12x squared plus 50x plus 52. Okay, medyo mahaba yung sagot natin. Mahaba talaga. So, ang value ni x is 2x plus 5. Papalit natin siya kay 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. So, binalatan na natin siya. Square natin yung 2x plus 5, kaya dalawa. Kaya gumamit tayo ng FOIL method. I-FOIL method muna natin si 2x plus 5, kaya ang magiging sagot natin ay 4x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 25. Simplify muna natin siya. Kaya ang magiging sagot niya is 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Negative 5 times 2x plus 5 plus 2. Kaya magiging negative 10x minus 25 plus 2. 3 times 4x squared times 20x times 25. Okay, 12. Ang sagot doon ay 12x squared plus 60x plus 75. And then, copy lang natin si 10x, negative 10x, negative 25 plus 2. And then, simplify pa rin. 12x squared plus 50x plus 75 minus 25 plus 2. Ang final answer natin is 12x squared plus 50x plus 52. Okay? And then, number 9, find the function value given. H of x equals 7x minus 11 if the value of x is equal to 8m plus 3. Is it letter A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is letter A, 56m plus 10. Simply because our value of x is equal to 8m plus 3. Kaya magiging 7 times 8m and 7 times 3. Kaya 21 and 56m. Then copy negative 11. Then simplify. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 56m plus 10. Number 10, evaluate the function h of x equals the absolute value of x plus 31 given the value of x that is equal to 2.5. Is it A, 34, negative 34, negative 33, or D, 33.5? The correct answer is letter D, because ang value ni x is 2.5. So, ang ginawa natin, i-replace natin si 2.5 kay x. Kaya, absolute value of 2.5 plus 31. So, ang una natin ginawa, gagawin, remove unnecessary absolute value bars, kaya 2.5 plus 31. And the absolute value of any number is always positive. And then, just add the numbers. 2.5 plus 31 is 33.5. Kaya, ang sagot natin ay 33.5. Number 12. Which of the following is the value of the function f of x equals the absolute value of 3x squared minus 15x plus 5 plus 3, given the value of x that's equal to 3. Is it A, 25, 16, 19, or 10? Correct answer is 16. Why? Because of this solution. X value is 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, then negative 15 times negative 15 times 3 is negative 45. Then copy the 5 and 3. And then continue natin yung pag-simplify. 3 times 9 is 27. Kopyahin pa rin natin si negative 45, si plus 5, at si plus 3. And then 27 minus 45 is negative 13. Then kopyahin natin si 3. Okay? 16 ang ating sagot. Okay? Proceed to number 14. Find the value of the function h of x equals to the square root of 5x squared minus 4 if the value of x is 6. Is it square root of 80, 2 square root of 9, square root of 16, or letter D? Ang ating sagot, which is 4 square root of 11. Tingnan natin ating solution. I-replace natin si 6 kay x, kaya 6 times 6 is 36. Una natin ginawa, we evaluated the power. And then, multiply the numbers, kaya 6 times 6 is 36. 5 times 36 is 180. Kinopya lang natin lagi si negative 4. And then 180 minus 4 is 176. And then finally, simplify the radical expression, and that is 4 square root of 11. And the last number. O, tapos na tayo dito. Meron ganito. Hindi ko yata napalitan ang ating hindi pa. Bakit number 11 siya? Okay. So, ano na lang natin. Huwag na natin pasin yung number 11. Given h of x equals 2x squared minus 5 over 3. Determine h of 5. So, ang value ni x is 5. Kaya ang tamang sagot natin ay 15. Tingnan natin kung bakit. Okay, na-replace na natin si 5 kay x, kaya 5 times 5 is 25. Kinopya lang natin si negative 5 at saka yung over 3 niya. 2 times 25 is 50 minus 5 over 3. 50 minus 5 is 45 minus over 3. So 45 divided by 3 is 15. Kaya 15 ang ating final answer. Bakit number 13? Huwag na natin pansinin yung number 13. For what values of x can we not evaluate the function f of x equals 3x plus 7 over 3x squared minus 4? Tingnan natin. Negative positive 4 or plus minus 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 1. The correct answer is letter C. Why? Tingnan natin ating solution. So, ang value ng ating x ay positive, negative 2 or plus minus 2. Okay? So, si 2, evaluate muna natin kay x. Okay? Kaya 3 times 2 plus 7 is 6 plus 7. Doon naman sa denominator, 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 4 is 0. 6 plus 7 is 13. So, it is undefined because of zero domain. Kaya ang tamang sagot natin ay plus minus 2. Okay? Yun na ang last number natin. Mali ako ng numbering. Given g of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 over 3x minus 4. To determine the g of 2. So, ang value ng x natin is 2. Is it A, 9 over 2, negative 9 over 2, 8 over 7, or negative 8 over 7? The correct answer is letter A, 9 over 2. Because, evaluate natin si 2. Kaya, magiging 2 times 2 is 4. And then, negative 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 6, I mean. So, 2 times 4 is 8 minus 6 plus 7. Kopya lang. Evaluate na natin si 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4, yung kanyang denominator. So, 8 minus 6 plus 7 is 9. And then, 6 minus 4 is 2. Kaya ang tamang sagot natin, 9 over 2. Okay? So, in this lesson, you have learned how to evaluate functions. So, thank you for watching and listening. Magkita-kita tayong muli sa ating susunod na lesson. Bye-bye!